Yeah, so let's see if I can show this. Did it? Okay. Oh, okay. It didn't go away. So yeah, we got the good old warning right there. Flash flood until 4:15. Our tea time is at the good old. Was it at 3:30? So just like what, a couple of days ago, we was up in the rain and putting was super hard. But you know, the British Open is on right now, and it looks like they had a little bit of rain, so we might just be a-okay with a little bit of rain. I'm gonna see if I can go chip a little bit before we get started, and then if I can do that, I'll feel comfortable. I'm gonna stretch. And I did find a stretch company out here that I cannot wait to do, because I love stretching. But if you did any sports in high school and your coach, especially in track, if your coach stretched you out, it is like, it's just, I love it. I love it. So I'm excited about doing that. I'm gonna get myself ready to go. But I will see y'all on the golf course. Yeah, that should be working pretty well. Alrighty. We back at it. Just did a bunch of chipping. I was in the bunker. Now it's time to warm up. Yeah, gotta work on that good old 6. The 6 gotta treat me well. Well, it should treat me well. I don't know if she is or isn't. Felt good. We got Jonah right behind me. Vinny's here. Got his wife as well. The 6 is not doing bad right now, but we're going to save it for the golf course. Save this battery. We're going to warm up a little bit more. Let me try my good old 5 real quick, since that was a struggle last night. Get this on camera one time.
Uh-oh, dude. Breezy's walking in those drives, bro. Ooh.
Try this first cut. Real quick.
I've never heard you say that before. And I'm not.
Oh, yeah. I'm liking that. But yeah, I'm going to see you guys once I get on this golf cart. We're going to get things going. Try this driver out. First hole down. Bro, you're going to give me copyright infringement, bro.
Oh, here we go.
Who is this guy?
Just get out of here.
Oh, the whole signing in kind of thing. We got to sign in.
Yeah.
Oh. All right. Well, what are we shooting today? Oh, I gotta get this. She's down the middle. She said she's gonna beat you today, bro.
We'll see. We'll see. She's playing good.
All right.
Playing good.
All right. Let's get it. I probably should have went and grabbed that.
230? Don't worry about it.
Oh, no, that's
Don't
theirs.
worry about
Oh,
the
okay,
time. Don't
sorry.
worry about it.
There you go.
Next.
Alrighty.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let me pick this up real quick.
Where?
It sits right there. Maybe. Whatever. It was my vice ball. Dang it.
I mean, it's right in front or what?
Yeah. It was right there in front, but it looks like it's gone forever.
And we can't even drive over there.
I'll grab it before we leave.
I don't see a ball.
Oh, I definitely hit somebody's house. That's for sure.
I could have hit trees. See,
That
look, there's
thing.
Brienne, and then there's Jonah. So then where's my second one?
That ball right there. There's your second one, probably. Right there. Oh, there's one.
Oh, there's mine. Sick. And Bippy, first hole.
I gotta get par first.
I don't know how many times I've parred a hole after topping the drive.
Yeah. No, that was.
It's always the next shots that get you there that are more important.
Yeah, I should have just laid up in the middle, fairway, and just took my 5.
Well, you're fine, right? You're gonna have a shot at it, right?
Yeah, it went above on the right of this.
Let me just come up this way. I like the actual condition of the course.
I think I'm over this way to the right.
You see where his went? Good. Looking around. Here.
All right. Yeah, you probably have to reverse.
You got your yardage?
Yeah, I got it. I'm gonna hit a good old 6. Sand about 180. It's to the left of the bunker. The top one.
Dude, that thing just follows you around?
I put it on face. So it should.
So like when you walked over there, it followed you or what?
Yeah, it should have.
That's crazy. Science.
Science. That's green. Nice.
A little short ski. Dude, we can't ask for a better like weather right now. I know. Well, I mean, we could, but. Sounded fantastic.
It's to the bunker.
Just to the right, too.
Yeah.
Where's Breezy at? Oh, that's her ball.
Oh.
Too good to be true. I have like balls that you can have.
Oh man, I have like 200 balls.
Oh, okay.
I'm just a collector.
Because I have no, I know. I'm just saying I have ones that I don't really use that are like the harder balls or whatever. Where'd you go?
I am somewhere. This bunker.
You went left of this bunker?
Yeah, I think I'm left somewhere.
Okay. Where'd you land? Like on the grass?
Yeah, I couldn't see. It bounced.
So then you probably
Love it. Dope. That's a good view.
Yeah. Cool.
Jonah, he's gonna hit this right. Nice draw.
Jonah's on the tee box wearing Reeboks.
Start right and go left. That's draw.
Brianna and Jonah wearing Reeboks on the tee box.
Nice, my brother. Shh. Shh. Here we go. Why am I to the left?
Got the lefties. Got the lefts.
I got the lefts. Trash. Oh, thanks, sis. Appreciate you.
I thought I could grab it.
I don't know why I brought this up here, but well, the view is dope. The rest, I'm going left. And that was with my 3-wood. I don't know. Might have to stop recording. Go layers of focus here. That's what I'm thinking.
We are the Lost Boys from Neverland.
Peter Pan. We are the Lost Boys from Neverland. I don't know. I'm gonna be able to find that one. That one hooked so bad. Oh! Oh, it's all left. First drop.
Why did it fall off? Is it magnetic?
It's magnetic,
but you gotta tie something on that. Or tape it. That's sketch.
Dude, that was mad sketch.
Because I don't. Oh, you can put it right there.
Yeah, it's a. So that's magnetic there.
I wouldn't trust that magnet. Not anymore. All right.
Well, still out here right now. Definitely, I think I broke
Hey, dude, I'm gonna be stupid.
that stupid camera.
Screw it.
Fell off right here on this little magnet.
I'm going driver. Oh wow. Yeah. Downhill.
Annoying, but
Driver.
still out here. I think I'm probably doing terrible, but it's all good. But till next time, I'm gonna find something to actually stick up on this good old clasp. Look, there's Vinny.
All right. I'm trying to play for a cut.
Let's see what happens.
Because that's almost what's for sure gonna happen.
Ball one right there.
No.
Yeah, I just want to see. Let me grab it.
Do your thing, man. Anyway, I need to find something that's going to stick to this. That magnet definitely dropped it.
Dang it, dude.
It's like,
I had a good feeling
I
I
don't
was
know how to
going
get
to
my
do
money
it,
back, but
yeah,
it is what it is right now. He's going for number 2.
It's still left. Yeah. I got a bunch of crappy balls. I'm going to keep hitting it.
Turn. Oh, I hate this game.
Dang. Oh, you hit the tree. It saved you.
This is not good, guys.
That thing on top. Maybe you can see everything.
What is wrong?
Little copycats.
What is going on?
I feel the pain. The views are beautiful, though.
You suck.
Yep. That will conclude today's golf journey. You got anything, Vinny?
It had the works to be really good.
Facts.
And the greens made it horrible.
Yep. We were basically playing in bunkers.
I mean, it made 3-footers very complicated. But other than that, I mean, I still think we did decent. So.
Oh, look, I hit the green.
Either way, it was fun. Yeah. Oh, nice shot, bro.
Yeah, is that you right there, brother?
Yeah, I think so. I'll see you later, guys. Bye.
Here I am, walking up. What was this, a par 4 or 5?
5.
Par 5. I'm going for an eagle right now.
Yeah. You do have an eagle putt, bro.
Have an eagle putt.
You did on
Okay.
Make sure you get around it.
For sure. Look at this. This is what we're planning on. That's why I say I one putted everything. Like, come on now. This is ridiculous. Should have paid $10 to play here. But I'm going for eagle putt, so I'm happy about that. So I'll take that all day right about now. But this is absolutely trash. Look at him coming in. Look at that. I didn't hit the record.
So Mo's got an eagle chip right here, or eagle putt.
My brother
This is crazy.
made it in 2.
Made it in 2.
Here we go. Oh, wait. I'm nervous now.
Remember, just speed, set yourself up for birdie.
Yeah, I got you, bro.
This is your first birdie? If you get this?
If I get it.
Come on. Let's go.
Glad you didn't get it.
I know.
I'm going eagle. For Arccos.
Just speed.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it stayed out.
Oh, that's a good putt.
It stayed out.
That's first birdie.
All right.
You gotta put it in.
Keep going. We're going to get your birdie right here.
That's an easy tap.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's what I needed right there. What's that?
So bird.
Take it down.
Not too much break.
Yes, sir.
Let's
Beautiful.
go.
First birdie from Mo.
Let's get it.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Come on, Mo.
That was beautiful.
Congrats, you're gonna
Sick, dude. Good job.
Look at his tap. Are you going to tap it in?
Oh.
Yeah. You got to kick it. You got to kick it in.
It's just no. It was in the hole.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
I don't miss those, dude.
Oh my gosh. What the heck?
So, made it to the gym. Right now, I'm about to shower. Probably hit the sauna, maybe not. I don't know. Maybe hot tub. Maybe ab workout. I don't know what I'm going to do, but that was terrible. I don't know. I think I was just upset that I think I just broke my camera. Thing fell off, as you guys saw. That thing was flying on that pavement, so I got to buy another one of those, and I'm just not happy about it at all. So, but all in all, got a birdie today, so that was solid. Everybody played well, and I'll be back at it. I'll be back at it again, and hopefully I can learn how to actually get the camera, you know, to sit on the golf course. Maybe it's that suction cup I keep saying everybody use. So either way, I appreciate you guys. You already know, get out, go golf, you know, be happy. Today was still a good day, but tomorrow's gonna be better. So let's get it.